If you want to enable importing saved logins from a file in Firefox, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. This is useful if you've exported passwords or saved logins somewhere else and want to bring them into Firefox more easily. Just keep in mind, you're changing an advanced browser setting, so take your time and follow along carefully. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once it's open, go up to the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where you normally type website addresses, but in this case you're going to type a special Firefox settings page. Type about config into the address bar, then press enter on your keyboard. Firefox will now show you a warning message letting you know that these settings can affect the browser's performance and security. That's completely normal when you're accessing advanced preferences. On this warning screen, click Accept the risk and continue. This takes you into Firefox's hidden configuration area where you can change advanced settings that aren't available in the regular menu. Once you're inside About, Config, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click into that search bar and type signon.management.page.fileimport.enabled. This is the exact preference that controls whether Firefox allows importing saved logins from a file. After you type it in, Firefox may show the preference name in the results. If it appears as a Boolean setting and the value is set to false, that means the feature is currently disabled. To change it, click the plus icon if Firefox shows that option, and then click the toggle button to switch the value from false to true. As soon as you do that, the setting is enabled. That's it. You've now turned on the Firefox option for importing saved logins from a file. After enabling this preference, you should be able to use the import feature whenever Firefox asks for it, making it much easier to move saved login data into the browser. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Firefox tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.